The praise came from American lawyer Professor Anita Hill in an op-ed published to commemorate Black History Month. While praising President Biden for nominating Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson to the Supreme Court this week, the first black woman to be appointed to the court, she noted that in the Duchess of Sussex there was a measure of parallelism given her experience navigating uncharted territory as a black woman. Meghan Markle was the first black person to marry into the royal family when her and Prince Harry tied the knot in May 2018. They stepped back from royal duties in January 2020 and moved to California, after experiencing intense media scrutiny. Professor Hill wrote in her piece, "After the press conference ended, I sat up straighter and felt grateful to have witnessed another glass ceiling that was shattered in my lifetime." Speaking of the history where black women of stature and credential entered arenas once thought to be inaccessible, she thought of the Duchess. She continued, "I was recently able to connect with one of these women, Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, and while her role over the past few years hasn't been that of a federal judge or elected official, I couldn't help but see a measure of parallelism given her experience navigating uncharted territory as a black woman." Meghan herself added her thoughts to the piece in light of the historic nomination of Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson. The Duchess said, "The civil rights history of tomorrow is being written today. Judge Jackson's nomination has opened new ground for women's representation at the highest level of a judicial system that for too long has tilted against the very community she hails from." For millions of young women who will rightfully find inspiration from this moment, let's remind ourselves that black achievement is something that exists not just today or yesterday, and not just in moments of celebration, but as a fabric woven into the entire chronicle of the American story. Harry and Meghan were recently awarded the NAACP President's Award in recognition of their special achievement and distinguished public service in the areas of racial and social justice. Previous recipients of the award have included Muhammad Ali and Condoleezza Rice.